Alright guys, welcome to Planter Garden TV. Searching for mushroom today and I find some. So what I need from you guys, I need you guys to tell me if you know anything about these mushrooms. Not sure if they're edible. I'm hoping they are. Then we have some reddish one right here. I'm trying to figure them out. Now we have this one. These just grow real big, so I'm not sure. I had one time and it was like about 14 inches in diameter. Okay, so we have another one here. Don't know the name, don't know if they're edible, but I'm just looking into it. I now start looking into these two mushroom. I know start. You know what? This one feel like bread. This one feel like bready, like a bready texture. Watch, look at it here. Don't mind my fingers, guys. I'm in the garden. Yes, guys, this one look like a bready texture. I'm not sure. So, guys, if you know anything about mushroom, please help me out here. So we find this one. We find 3 different kind. It look like. Okay. Look this one. This one look yeah. This one. Oh man, look at this one right here. I'm sure I saw this one in the supermarket. This one, I'm sure I saw it in the supermarket years ago. This one look like one they sell in the supermarket. And these, I'm not familiar with them. But if you guys know, please put in the comment section what kind of mushroom you think these are and if they are edible. Peace, love and blessing, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.